Alright, we're going to be making some beautiful, I don't know what you call it, bread omelette-y wraps. And this is one of those videos that you probably see in your newsfeed on Facebook, scrolling through random bollocks that all your friends are talking about. But I'm a real person, and this one actually works. So I'm going to do it pretty much in real time and show you, because I'm a hungry boy right now, and there's nothing in the fridge but eggs. And we've got some tortilla wraps left. And obviously you'll have everything else. You've got cheese all the time, haven't you? And if you've got that, you've got a meal. My other option, starve and have a can. And I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it. So you're going to need 3 eggs, or 2 if you're not as big. Small little round boys. Now these have to be the size of your pan, right? Your pan has to be round and oiled and on, right? So those, they're like a pound. A million eggs like a pound, right? So I've got 3 in there, straight into a thing, pop, 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 pop. The usual seasoning, no one knows why we do it, but we will. It's gonna be beautiful. There you go, I guess I would consider that well mixed. Right, this is all down to your specifications really. Bit of here black ground pepper, and we are posh enough to happen to start using rock salt. Sea salt, even better, right? I don't know. It's cheap enough. It's pretty good. Bit of that. Oof, oof, oof. Obviously, skip all these if you're a vegan, but you like eggs. Say, if you're a vegan, you don't like eggs, leave. Okay. So that's all the seasoning that's required. Give that a little bomb. Right. The trick here, I haven't pre-grated my cheese, and I'm a loser. But it doesn't matter. So you want your pan preheated, not too hot. We're making omelets, y'all. We don't want to cook them too fast. So maybe half. Maybe half of that power, yeah. Bit of noise. I think that's hot enough. Right, straight in with the premature chicken mix, or the never-chore chicken mix. Pop, pop, pop. This is also a little lesson on how to make an omelette if you've never done that before. That's making an omelette, and the pan's a bit too hot, so let that do its thing. If it's too violent, take it away. It's too hot. Let it chill out for a second. Whilst that happens, I guess we better grit some cheese. Well, that's great, isn't it? It's literally been, I could have done that without pressing stop, you know. But it's all in the edit. Everyone loves a good edit, so here's an edit. There's the cheese. It's great. It's cheap. Definitely the cheapest stuff you can get from Tesco, but also the best. I think, I mean, look at all those red figs. It's gotta be good. Right, so it doesn't cost a fortune. We're talking probably the best part of 60p so far. But you'll see what we end up with, and you'll be like, yo, serve me that up in TK Maxx, the TGI Fridays, boy. Right, so you want to make sure there's a bit of runnage remaining, because this is you're gonna put the tortilla on there, you know, and it's gonna stick on top. So you don't want the eggs completely cooked, because it's all part of the process. I'm not gonna heat back up now. I left it off the heat whilst the pan was just kind of semi-hot on its own, whilst I grated the cheese, which was literally like a minute, like I said. So yeah, man, belly's rumbling, but I'm not feeling worse yet. Okay, so there's a bit of movement. You want it kind of looking like a top of a custard pie. That's too much movement, right? Oh, he pressed stop with his thumb on the volume rocker. You jack boy. Right, I reckon that's about it. So, grab yourself. These are basically stale as well. Fuck it, I left it open. My bad. So, it's not even the softest, but it doesn't matter. That's the magic. So you literally pop that boy on there. Right. There you go, it's as simple as that. It's gonna look, yeah, the pan's a bit too big for this bread. And 3 eggs is a wider game. 2 eggs, this comes out looking a bit more nice. But there you go. We'll do the flip. Bear with, I'm gonna flip this essentially. Oh, you join me in non-stick Teflon thing wall? Right, whoop, off. That's a flip. Right, them runny egg boys that got out, they weren't real. Don't worry about them. Look at them. They're all dry, non-stick goodness. So a couple of minutes on that. When you start smelling the sweet smells, it means your bread's burning, but your bread's also going to taste sweet, so that's cool. For now, this is the inside of your future wrap. So I haven't got no ham or nothing fancy, so we're just going to put a little bit of cheese in there, alright? Any way you wish.
It's not as doesn't look as gleamy nice as they do on Instagram, but I imagine you're probably sat in a flat too. And we haven't all got selfie circle lights, and I don't think we need them. Right, you could get a lot fancy with this, but I don't. And then you're literally just gonna, like, hopefully this. Oh, it's just that. Right, ready? This is real life. Yep, there you go. Drag it back, put it down. Bloody hell, you got yourself an omelette bread ting. Give it a little fig, let that cheese melt, eh? Give it a little pop. See how good that looks. That's the bread, mate. Is what it is. So there you go. That's a meal, right? 3 eggs and some bread and some cheese. That's enough for anyone in the middle of an afternoon during COVID. There you go. Try it yourself. Send us a picture of how bad yours turned out. But this one's not too bad. I'll show you it on a plate in a minute. Actually, let's plate it up now. This is real time. Get a plate. Get them from Tesco as well. Boof, boof, boof. Nice transfer. There you go. Is he a chef? No. Is he competent? Mildly. There you go. I suggest a knife and fork with this. You don't need a fork. You certainly don't need a towel. Don't waste that. So there you go. There's dinner. Have sauce with it if you want, mayo and all that. I don't know. Bit of salad on the side, some peppers. I don't know. There you go. It's the finished thing. And now I'm going to do like a cool little video with backing music, and I'm going to spin the plate so it looks cool as shit. You ready?